Welcome back and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. It was a beauty of a day today. We got more of the same as we move forward. A little bit of a disturbance moving on through tonight may generate a few nuisance sprinkles, but overall, good-looking weather as we move forward throughout the weekend. So let's get over to the key wall. Look at that upper level pattern. Pretty much a continuation of a relatively zonal flow as high pressure down toward now a little bit farther south down in southwestern Mexico. Weak disturbances riding through the subtropical jet stream, bringing clouds across the area, and the polar jet stream bringing colder air off to the north and northeast. Notice a lot of high pressure back to the west. That's going to be moving in and settling in across our region, and nice snows in the interior portions of New England. So it's been a white Thanksgiving there. Meanwhile, a few spotty showers across the region associated with that upper level disturbance that may generate a few showers as we get to midnight, 2 a.m., but that moves out quickly. Chilly as we head toward tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid-40s. There's going to be a breeze as well. So there's going to be a wind chill tomorrow morning and a wind chill throughout the day tomorrow. At least we'll have mostly sunny skies, some high clouds at times. Temperatures top out in the mid to upper 50s. And here we go tomorrow night, heading down into the low to mid 30s. Maybe some high cloud cover, so that will make the forecast a little bit more difficult, and it depends on the wind direction and amount of wind we have tomorrow night. And then going into Saturday, barely reaching 60 degrees, we think, for the afternoon hours. So here's the climatological norm for when we get our first frost or freeze. You can see up towards central Louisiana, it's around the first or second week of November. And usually as we get to the Highway 190 corridor, it's around November 20th. So we're late by about a week or so. You get into Lafayette, first frost or freeze right around November 25th. So we're close, and then you get down into December as you get down closer to the coast. So temperatures tonight, well above the frost zone, will favor temperatures in the low to mid 40s, lower 40s for northern portions of Acadiana, mid 40s as we get across the I-10 corridor, and much the same down along the coast. And then tomorrow with sunny skies, temperatures are going to be hard pressed to get above the mid 50s. In fact, they'll probably reach the mid 50s for a high, not including there will be a wind chill. So if you're in the sun, you're good, but if you're in the shade, you're going to feel that wind chill. Mid to upper 50s, I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same down along the coast, maybe pushing near 60 degrees in a few spots. But here comes the cold temperatures tomorrow night into Saturday morning. You want to take care of the tender vegetation, protect the fall gardens a little bit, just cover them up. Shouldn't be a major issue. Don't need to worry about the pipes. 31 degrees though. Opelousasville Platte could be as cold as 30 in Alexandria, and just sub-freezing for a couple of hours right near daybreak. But still the possibility of frost along the I-10 corridor. 35. Again, we measure those temperatures at 6 feet. What happens down by the ground or near surfaces can get colder if you have a little evaporational cooling going on. So just take care of the plants for tomorrow night, and then as we head thereafter, it should be more comfortable. So 46 the low tonight. Few sprinkles out there, mainly during the course of the midnight hours, give or take a few hours. Then for tomorrow, should be a gorgeous day, but a chilly one. 58 the high. The normal high this time of year is 68 degrees, so well below that by a solid 10 degrees. And then that frost after the frost Saturday morning, temperatures moderate just a little bit, stays cool into next week. Next potential soaking could come in on Saturday, where we're going to have rain around us come Thursday, Friday, but mainly back to the west through Friday. Here comes a rain frontal boundary, maybe some embedded thunderstorms, and then maybe some colder air, and maybe colder than what we're indicating at the back end of this 10-day forecast. But we'll have to wait and see on that in the near term. Nice and cool, and what we expect as we cruise into December. That's it for weather for now. I'll have an update coming up later in the show.